Today's video is regarding K-Flam powder, which offers quick relief for all sort of body pains. In this video we will discuss conditions under which K-Flam is used, how to use, its dosage, precaution, and its side effects. K-Flam contains Diclofenac Potassium, which relieves pain and reduces inflammation, which is used for below-mentioned conditions. Body pain, including back pain, frozen shoulder, tennis elbow, arthritis, migraine attack and other headache, period pain, dental pain, pain of the ear, nose or throat. Now let's see how to use this medicine. Open the sachet and empty the contents of one packet into small amount of water. Mix well and drink all of it right away. For dental pain, use one packet 3 times a day. For period pain, use one packet initially. If still period exists, you can use up to 3 times in a day. Don't exceed from 4 sachets in a day. In migraine and other headaches, the initial dose is 1 sachet. If relief is not obtained within 2 hours, take 1 more packet. This may be repeated at intervals of 4 to 6 hours, but you should not take more than 4 sachets per day. In all other body pain, including back pain, shoulder pain, injury, arthritis pain, use 1 packet 2 to 3 times a day. Special precautions related to this medicine are: don't use for children below 14 years. Do not take K-Flam if at the present time you have an ulcer or bleeding from the stomach. Do not take this medicine if you suffer from severe kidney or liver disease or severe heart failure. Side effects for K-Flam include stomach upset, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.